my god, you look like a fucking straight kid. Oh my god, kiss my feet. Ew.
How's the ticket going, Jace?
Jason, you got a ticket yet?
What's that? I think you have to put money in, man.
What kind of ticket you trying to get?
I think you gotta kick it. Try kick it.
Jason, what kind of ticket you trying to get?
No, you gotta kick the bottom of it now. So it can work. Oh, it's a bit faulty, man. You gotta kick it.
Use a next machine.
Kick it, man, because those ones you need to kick a bit.
Sometimes we use a drink.
Kick the bottom. Seriously, kick it. I think you get a free Coke out of those ones, man. Well, let's punch it at the top. Let's smash it. Just try kick it, dude. Oh, no, I don't want to take him down there. Fucking run on the tracks. He's like, I want to look how electricity works.